Hi, I'm Lindsay with Silhouette, and today I am going to show you how to print and cut using the Cameo. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is go to the library and select your design that you want to print and cut. I'm going to use this floral right here, and I'm going to select that, and then I'm going to adjust it up, put it up here. I'm going to change it to the 8.5 by 11 because that's the size that my printer prints. And then I'm going to adjust it up here a little bit further so I have more, so I can save the rest of that paper. And then the next thing you need to do is go to registration mark settings right here, and then select show registration marks. This is very important so that your Cameo knows where it should cut, where the printed design is. I'm going to change the registration mark to go up further so I can save that bottom piece of paper. And the next thing you want to do is you want to go to File, Print, and then I'm going to go select my printer, which I have a Canon, and I'm going to hit Print. Alright, so after you've printed it, it should look something like this, with your registration marks up here and here. And so the next thing you need to do is grab your mat and put it down on the left side of it. Make sure it's on there real nice. And then you're going to load it. Make sure you line it up with the line on the left, and then hit enter to load. Alright, now that we have the paper loaded into the Silhouette, we want to go to the Silhouette Cut Settings window, which is right next to the Registrations window, and select the type of paper that you used. I used cardstock, so I'm going to select that. Make sure that your settings is set to what it needs to be, the blade and everything, and then hit cut. Alright, so after you hit cut, the Cameo will read the little square in the registration marks. This will let the Cameo know exactly where it needs to cut, so the cut is perfectly with the design. Alright, now that the Cameo is done cutting, hit enter to unload, and then peel off the excess paper, and then you can see how well the Cameo cut the printed area. And this is how you print and cut using the Silhouette Cameo.